Welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone's having a great day. Today I have something a little bit unusual for you for Halloween. I tried a new product. It's this great stuff. It's a sealant for gaps and cracks. It's like a foam that expands about an inch. You have to do it outside and wear gloves and read all the directions on the can. But I found these cute pieces, so I wanted to try this instead of using the green foam like from Dollar Tree. My husband did this for me, and it does expand quite a bit, but I do not know if I will ever repurchase this again. I'm not that big a fan of it, but it turned out cute anyways. So if you've ever used this, let me know in the comments how you liked it. Also, another negative to me is it has to sit and dry for 24 hours before you can use it. It was not very easy to get it to come out of the can and very even either. So it finally came out, and it came out on this little lantern, like a round little blob, and it ended up rising, and it ended up being my favorite of the three. So here's how it turned out after 24 hours. So it's dry now, and so I'm going to start with a little pink jack-o'-lantern with a little black cat on top, and I've got some ribbon from Sam's Club. Sam's Club has out their Christmas ribbon, and I have a video of all their Christmas ribbon back, just a couple videos if you'd like to check that out. Then I have some Dollar Tree picks. Then I have this big pick that I ordered from Craft Outlet online, and then I have some fun Christmas shop candy picks from Hobby Lobby when they were on sale. I think the cake pop Christmas ornaments are my favorite, but they're all really cute. And so I added a little hot glue to the end of this pick. I did have to cut it shorter. Then I'm just taking it and pushing it into the foam, and then I'm going to hold it for just a little while until it has time to dry. Next, I decided to tie a bow, and I want to do my bow next. That way I could kind of place things around it. Now I did tie two pink bows. I tied one for the front and one for the back. Same steps and just about the same size. Next, I took a metal U-shaped pin from Michaels, and I just threaded the metal pin under the zip tie. That way I could push the pin into the foam. I don't know if it was just me or if we didn't add enough foam or what, but I just did not find it that easy to work with. To me, the green foam from Dollar Tree or Walmart or Hobby Lobby is easier for me to work with, but that's just my opinion. You'll have to let me know yours and your thoughts. Then I took a Dollar Tree pumpkin pick, stuck it on the right side. Then I'm adding some cake pop picks, added a little hot glue, just pushing it into the foam, going to hold it just a little while because they are a little bit heavy. Then I'm adding this fun cotton candy pick, and I'm kind of putting it at an angle on the pink jack-o'-lantern cookie jar. And here's my bow for my second little jack-o'-lantern, and it lights up too. So I just took a U-pin and put it under the zip tie. Now I'm pushing it into the foam. And like I said, I don't think this foam is as easy to work with to me. And then here I just took this apart. It's so cute. It was from Dollar General, I believe, last year. So I cut the little ghost off and got me a skewer, just adding some hot glue, putting the skewer in it, going to let it dry. Then I'm going to cut it shorter once it has time to dry. So I'm going to add the little ghost pick to the top center. So I'm adding a little hot glue, pushing it into the foam just right above the bow. Next, I took a Dollar Tree eyeball pick and I just cut it into smaller pieces, and I'm just adding it. And then later on, I'll go back and fill in with some of the orange, black, and white beads, and also some pom-poms that I have left over from another DIY. And here's my last DIY, number 3, this cute little ghost canister. And I purchased it for $7, I believe, at TJ Maxx. And I'm just taking some Dollar Tree flowers, cutting them shorter. And we did have to shave down the foam a little bit. It was just a little bit too big. It was our first one that we used the foam on, and it really expanded huge. And I'm also wanting to add that witch hat on one side. My husband made a comment that he didn't know if, with it being a smooth surface like all 3 of these are, if the foam will last very long on it, or if it'll just let go like with the temperature change. So you'll have to let me know if you've experienced that, if yours has lasted or not. I am not sure which one is my favorite. I hope they all 3 last many years because they did turn out really cute. The pink candy or cookie jar, the light up, the orange jack-o'-lantern, and then this ghost canister, all 3 of these came from TJ Maxx. And then I just added some of those pins to the hat and then just pushed the pins into the foam to attach the witch hat. And then I just filled in with some Dollar Tree flowers so that you couldn't see any of the foam. And I think it turned out super cute. It has the sweetest little face. Okay guys, so here's all 3 together. Let me know which one is your favorite. Thanks so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment, and don't forget to share and subscribe.